2010 C-Class AMG. Customer has no key. We're here to make it again. As you can see, the alarm is on. Yes, sir. Now that I'm in the car, we need to do some preliminary work to hook up our equipment to this vehicle. See right here, you got some T-screws. You got 3 of them. 1, 2, and 3. Right there. You gotta remove those. Then you're gonna have a connector for the light. You're gonna remove. Then the OBD plug, you're gonna remove it to give you more access, and then we'll remove this undercover completely to have access to the steering lock connector. Right here you have a screw under that you need to remove from under. This is not something you're gonna be able to see. You have a screw right there somewhere. Okay, once that screw is out, it's good. Now we can remove the OBD. We can remove the handle. Okay, squeeze it out. From here, it comes out easy. Okay, so now we have it out. This is free. You can sit right there. Now we can start hooking up everything. We need access to the steering lock connector, and we need access to the EIS fuse. Let's get to the EIS fuse. This 7.5 is the EIS fuse. it somewhere. Go back to the vehicle. Now we need to locate the steering lock connector, which is typically behind this. The steering lock connector is behind this. It's on top over there. But you don't have to give yourself that much trouble. All you have to do is connect here to the right wire. Okay, we are now plugged onto the key line. Now we need to plug onto the OBD line. If you have a DLC breakout box, good. If you don't, it doesn't matter. I just use this to monitor voltage. Okay, so one connector of my breakout box to the Autel, and then the other one goes to the OBD 16. Okay, it's plugged. As you can see, we already have voltage. I'll put this in the back. Okay, voltage right now on the system is 12.2, 11.8. That's not enough. Our Autel is powered. G-Box, is it powered? I'm gonna turn this on. G-Box is not powered, so we're gonna plug G-Box. So nothing too hard. Basically, one connector of the breakout box was connected to Autel. I just put G-Box in between, that's all. So now our Autel is turned on. We're gonna put our password and okay, next needed is good internet. So we are going to go into Immobilizer. Okay, so I'm gonna go into Mercedes Benz. And then automatic selection. I'm just gonna type in the VIN. A lot of people like to use smart selection. You can do that, but I like to type the VIN. I'm just gonna type the VIN. All right, so I got that. I'm just gonna click on OK. Okay, that's a C-Class C350. This is an AMG, doesn't matter. Just set this like that. It's a 2010 Okay, as you can see, voltage is low right now. It's 12 here. It's 11 there. We need very good voltage up to 13, so we're gonna turn our voltage stabilizer on. No power. I need to find another source of power then. All right, good. Let me try now. Yeah, it's good. Just don't disturb it.
Okay.
All right. All right. So ready to start the procedure, okay? Vehicle G-Box. That's taking too long. Okay, so that's a 2010 C-Class. Now, last thing to plug is this. You remember this fuse that we removed in the hood earlier, the EIS fuse? This has got to go there. Right there. So a little summary here, we got Autel plug to G-Box, G-Box plug to GLC breakout box, and programmer XP400 Pro. We got our Virgin key, and we got APB125 for calculation purposes. That is already in the EIS. When it's starting to start calculation, we're gonna have to remove it and reinsert it. So for this time being, I'm just gonna click OK. That's what I already did before I got here, because I already knew how to hook it up. We're gonna begin the procedure. The blank key is already inserted into the programmer, so we're gonna click OK. When you see it flashing like this, communicating with the key, when it's done, it's gonna stop flashing, and we're gonna have a prompt to tell us that it's a success. So it's checked the blank key. Now we are going to start password calculation. This is an our keys lost. We don't have the password, so we're going to click on no, and we're going to click on yes to enter password calculation. begin. Couple of more questions to tell us how to hook this up, but I already did that and let you know exactly what I did. So we're gonna just click OK. OK again. Okay, so password calculation is going to start now. As you can see, if APB125 is already connected, that's what I was saying earlier. We're gonna have to remove it and reinsert it, and then the countdown is going to start. Okay, so now password calculation start. We're at 0 minute. According to the tool, it takes anywhere from 10 to 50 minutes to get the password. It also depends how fast the internet is. It depends how busy the server is, how many people are requesting calculation at this time. So it could go, I've seen it happening the last time that I did it. It took about 4 to 5 minutes. I've had to wait all the way to 20 minutes. This is acceptable. On the E-Class, it takes way longer. I've waited more than an hour on the E-Class. But let's hope we get this real fast. So this is 1 minute into calculation. Every minute I'm going to connect back on my phone just so I don't use so much space in my phone. Mosquitoes. So we are now 2 minutes, almost 3 minutes into calculation. We are now 15 minutes into the calculation process. Way more than expected. We are almost 20 minutes into password calculation. Way more than expected. An incredible 33 minutes on a C-Class. 33 minute wait on the C-Class. Wow. The reason why I'm waiting so long, look. Power was accidentally disconnected, which is why I've been waiting so long. Not enough voltage to supply to the vehicle. This proves that voltage is very important for password calculation too, not only internet connections. Or maybe not. Let's check something. So I might have to stop, abort this completely and start over. Just a couple of less than 1 minute after plugging it back, I get my password. 47 minutes, 40, I don't know, 43. I'm glad all seems to be well now. They probably didn't do it on purpose. So we're gonna be able to finalize the programming. So we already wrote the file onto the key. What we're going to do now at this point is just reinstall the fuse that we removed earlier. And as far as the steering lock connector, I already put it back. So this fuse got to be reinstalled. Okay, so at this point, what needs to be plugged is plugged. We are going to test the key. Insert the key. As you can see, the steering lock comes on. Maybe they have door locks problem. Yeah. Okay, reinstall everything in reverse order. Screw first, the OBD next, and then the light. Then all you have to do is secure the undercover with 3 screws. Done. Okay, so everything's secured. Do not forget your tools. Disconnect the voltage stabilizer. Start the car again. Have the customer test it. And good to go. Final test. Car has door lock actuator problem. You can see the remote works. Key programmed by DFW car keys. All keys lost. Everything reinstalled. If you need keys made for your Mercedes Benz, call us 619-788-8008. DFW car keys. We help people in Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex.